Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your math exam. First, gather all relevant materials like your syllabus, notes, and textbooks. Next, review the topics covered and the weight of each section on the exam. Then, work through all your homework problems and quizzes again, paying close attention to any mistakes you made. This initial step helps you pinpoint exactly what you need to focus on for effective preparation. Once you know your weak spots, engage in active practice. Do not just read solutions. Try to solve problems from scratch. For every concept, attempt at least 3 to 5 different problems. Try explaining difficult concepts to an imaginary audience or a friend. This reinforces your understanding. Also, compile a concise formula sheet with key equations and theorems for quick review. Consistency is key. Instead of one long session, aim for several shorter study periods, perhaps 3 to 4 sessions of 1 hour each day. If you encounter a problem you cannot solve after 15 minutes, seek help. Attend your professor's office hours or connect with a tutor. Collaborating with a study group can also provide new perspectives and clarify difficult areas. The day before the exam, avoid cramming. Instead, do a light review and ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. On exam day, eat a nutritious breakfast to fuel your brain. Arrive at the testing location about 10 to 15 minutes early. Double-check that you have all required materials, such as pencils, erasers, and a calculator, to ensure a smooth and confident start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.